If you drove to client meetings this year, you're probably claiming this wrong. Business mileage isn't just fuel costs. It's 45 pence per mile for the first 10,000 miles. Let me show you what this actually means. 2,000 business miles equals £900 you can claim. If you're in the 20% tax bracket, that's £180 saved. 40% bracket, £360 saved. What counts as business mileage? Client meetings, supplier visits, temporary work locations, business errands. What doesn't count? Your regular commute to your normal workplace. Most people either claim nothing or only claim fuel receipts. Both are leaving money on the table. Want to know the other 4 boxes people miss? Free guide in bio. 9 days until deadline,